What's good, everybody on YouTube? Today I have a quick review of the Jordan 1 Satin Bred. These sneakers originally released back in 2016 for a retail price of $175. Back then, there were only 501 pairs of the Jordan 1 Satin Breds, and they released exclusively in my hometown, New York City. That placed these sneakers, or at least the original pair, among the most highly coveted sneakers in the sneaker history. Also, having the 2016 Jordan 1 Satin Breds serve as one of the most difficult releases to ever get your hands on. Like I said, these released back in 2016 at a New York City exclusive pop-up. And you can imagine the craze that went through the New York City streets. But fast forward now to 2023, these are releasing October 18th, 2023 for a retail price of $180 at Nike sneakers and select retailers. What are your opinions on these?
These are fresh. I like these. I would wear these with my slip dresses because you know I love satin. Easy way to just, spice up any outfit. Classic colorway. Well, I think they're a great shoe. You can dress them up, dress them down. If you want to be a little bit more casual for brunch, little fly, you can put these on. You can, put them on in the evening too. Yeah, I just feel like they're a great shoe. Very versatile. You can do a lot with them and you stay fly.
The exclusivity that I just mentioned will no longer be the case. Jumpman is bringing this colorway back, bringing this model back, but the only issue is that it's in women's sizing only. This sneaker being in women's sizing only means there will be no extended sizing. The highest size for this sneaker will be a woman's 12, which equates to a men's 10.5, which means people like me will be able to get their hands on a pair like I have here, but will not be able to put these on feet and rock them. This is very frustrating because in 2016, the sneaker was limited to only 500 pairs, so it was extremely exclusive. And now they're re-releasing, people thinking, oh yes, I finally have a chance to get my hands on a shoe that I really wanted, and now it's women's only. That 2016 pair was unobtainable, and now the 2023 pair is pretty much unobtainable to most men. I'm all for women getting their hands on nice sneakers, but I feel like when it comes to a shoe like this, as big and highly coveted as a Bred would be, that opportunity should go to everyone. Think about it like this. When it comes to a men's release, everyone can get a pair. Kids, men's, women. Women can fit in men's sneakers, men can fit in men's sneakers, and when it comes to men only releases, they're pretty much always released in kids sizing as well. When it comes to women style sneakers, pretty much only women can fit into it. Yeah, some men might have small feet that can fit women's sizing, like a 10.5, but sometimes women's sneakers are cut a little bit smaller and more narrow than men's sizing. So I'm not sure, but maybe this size in a 10.5 for men's might be a little bit narrow than the average and regular men's 10.5 because this is shaped for a woman's feet. Also, men like me who are size 12 can't even fit into it. Women's shoes are mainly just for women, but men's shoes are for everyone. So I feel like if you're gonna do a women's shoe, that you should also make it an extended sizing so men can fit it as well. Because think about it like this, a men wearing a woman's exclusive could just be men honoring that shoe for women, like Amamayer does with his releases. They are shoes that are for women, but men can also buy the pair and stand for the message that shoe stands for as well. I'm not hating at all, but I just want to be able to share in the wealth of the women exclusive shoes like these, or the satin black toes with the snakeskin on the back, or the satin shattered backboards. I just want some of the shoes that women get as well. But let's get back into the sneaker. The Jordan 1 Satin Breds draws inspiration from the warm-up clothes that Michael Jordan would wear when he would practice for a game or wait for a game to start. If I'm not mistaken, Michael Jordan was also wearing a satin outfit when he was promoting the Jordan 1s. The Air Jordan 1 Satin Bred is a more luxurious version of the Jordan 1 Bred, which originally came in just leather. This sneaker is a reinterpretation of a much loved Jordan 1 Bred and just ups the bar on it greatly. The Jordan 1 Satin Bred, it's faithful to the color blocking of the OG Satin Breds, but does do some upgrades. For example, we have the embroidered Air Jordan Wings logo on the side, we have satin all over like I keep saying, and people are saying that this sneaker is a university red instead of a varsity red. But honestly, I don't know the difference between university red and varsity red. The Air Jordan 1 Satin Breds have been heavily previewed online, on social media, everywhere, but today I have a exclusive in-hand look. I know I'm not the first person to post a video on these on YouTube, but I'm one of the few who do have these sneakers early. Also, you know what's crazy? I don't have a pair of like OG Air Jordan 1 Breds. I have the patented Breds, I have the Flyknit Breds, I have the Jordan 1 Homage to Home, which is half Bred, half Chicago, but I don't have just a simple leather Jordan 1 Bred. And I really need to get my hands on them. I'm hoping that in 2024, we will see a reimagined Jordan Bred, and hopefully the reimagined Jordan Bred is still as good as just an OG Jordan 1 Bred. But getting back into the sneaker, this release does come with a nice Jordan tote bag. It's all black and it has a Jumpman in red. I think it's a nice little additive. I know if these were my size and this was my shoe, I definitely would use this tote bag. I don't know if I would use this tote bag when I would be wearing the shoes, but I would definitely use this tote bag nonetheless. Getting back into the sneakers, I don't think these will sit at all. I'm currently unaware of the stock numbers, but I know these will definitely fly off the shelf. When it comes to the makeup of the sneaker, like I said earlier, we have an embroidered Air Jordan Wings logo, and the swoosh on this sneaker is very, very nice. It's satin in that university red, and it's also embroidered on the shoe. It has a nice threading that goes around the swoosh that just adds a nice pop to the overall look of the sneaker. We also have a red outsole, of course, that you can find on every single Bred there is. But let's get into the box real quick. If you've been watching any of my sneaker videos, you know I love when we get special boxes to match the shoes. This time we have a reverse Jordan 1 box. This box is red with black instead of black with red. The size tag reads Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black university red, red and white, and the US Women's 9.5. Getting back into the sneaker, we have an all satin toe box. We have satin on the toe, satin on the mud guard, and this sneaker will crease. It will crease, most definitely. There's no doubt about that. Will the crease look good? Probably not, but that's okay because we wear our shoes. So if you get this pair in your size and you wear it, the toe box will look really bad, but don't worry about that. That's just contributing to the history, to the nature, to the style of the shoe. It's satin, and satin will crease. The insole is all red with black Nike Air. This video is an early look for all my women viewers out there and my men viewers who can't fit into this shoe or just thinking about getting this sneaker for their special lady in their life. I would say definitely go for it. When it comes to resale, there pretty much isn't any. This video is currently being recorded before the release, and the max this shoe is going for is $250. So if you're a reseller, I would say leave the shoe out there for all the people, for all the women who just want to cop it to wear. Don't buy up all the pairs and resell it because the market is low. There isn't any resale on this, so don't even waste your time. When it comes to quality and craftsmanship, there's no loose threading. There's a little bit of glue attaching the midsole to the sneaker, but not too bad. I would give these probably an 8 out of 10. There's a little bit of like dirt on the toe box on both shoes, and I don't know exactly what this is, but it can be cleaned off. But once again, I don't know why Jordan Brand would not make this shoe in full sizes. I really want a pair, can't get a pair. But let me just let y'all know one more time that this sneaker is releasing in women's sizing on October 18th for a retail price of $180 on Nike sneakers and select retailers. So don't sleep. Make sure you get your hands on a pair if you want a pair. Before you get out of here, my name is Claxton, and this is my platform, Something Like Media, a hub for all things sneakers, pop culture, fashion, celebrity events, all things in that nature. If you like what you see here, and if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you will notify whenever I post a video. I'm posting a lot these days. I'm trying to get monetized on here. I'm trying to put a lot of videos out for y'all to enjoy. So once again, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching. But before you get out of here, what do you think of a Jordan 1 Satin Breds? Please let me know in the comments below. Just checked in, now I'm checking out. Thank you for watching. Peace.